Welcome kids and welcome back to Kiddo Colors. Today we are going to draw and color a big letter L. Are you ready? Now let's get started. First draw a big letter L. Draw vertical line and then draw bottom horizontal line. This is our capital L. L. This is capital L. Now draw small l. Draw vertical line. This is small l. L is for lamp. Now draw lamp. Well done! Now write the word lamp. L A M P. Lamp. L is for lamp. Amazing kids! Our drawing is ready. Now let's start coloring. L is brown. Color the lamp yellow and light blue. In the word lamp, we will use green color. Wow, amazing work, kids! Your drawing looks so beautiful and colorful. If you enjoyed this drawing, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Kiddo Colors for more fun drawing and painting videos. See you in the next video.